Good morning, children. Open your new Sparkle Semester Series, Standard 2nd, Semester 2nd book. Revision, Part 3rd. Revision, Part 3rd, page number 16, A Visit to the Library. A visit to the library. It was Sunday. Sunil and Sana wanted to go to the library. The children loved to read books. Sana liked to read stories and books on general knowledge. Sana enjoyed reading comics and adventures stories. Okay, it was Sunday. Sunil and Sana wanted to go to the library. Wanted to go to the library. So the children loved to read books. Read books. Sana liked to read storybooks and books on general knowledge. And Sunil enjoyed reading comics and adventure stories books. Maria, their mother, told them to be ready. We will go to the library. Yes, you get ready. Maria, Sana and Sunil, let us go to the library. It will close at 12 o'clock. It will close. So, we will go. Children, yes, mother, we are ready. Let's go. Mother, Sunil and Sana, hold my hand and walk on the footpath. Come, we will move. Mother, Sunil and Sana, hold my hand and walk on the footpath. The children reached the library. Sana, good morning, ma'am. I want to borrow some storybooks. We have a storytelling competition next week. Next week we are having storytelling competition, ma'am. So I want a storybook. Librarian, yes, Sana, you can choose any 2 books. But remember, return these books within 10 days. Within 10 days you have to give the books back. Sana, sure, I will. Where will I find them? Librarian, you can find them on the 3rd shelf to your right. Sunil, I want to borrow books on general knowledge. I have been selected for a quiz competition. Librarian, you will find them on the 2nd shelf to your left. Sunil and Sana selected the books. They went back to the librarian who is taking the in charge of the books. Sana, kindly issue them 2 books. Then, Sana, good choice. You have selected Aesop's Fables and Cinderella storyteller book. Aesop's Fables is a Greek storyteller. And Cinderella. Librarian, here are your books, Sana. Thank you, ma'am. Sana, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, madam. Sunil, kindly issue these 2 books to me. I have selected books on history, geography and science. Librarian, here are your books, Sunil. Sunil, thank you, madam. We shall return the books on time. Librarian, yes, I appreciate you. Maria, I am delighted to see you select the books. Now take care of these books. Children, yes, mother, let's go home. We want to read these books. The children returned home. They read and returned the books in 8 days. Then they borrowed another set of books. Okay, page number, question answers exercise. Okay, we have come to the exercise. Circle the correct word. It was Saturday, Sunday. It was Sunday. Circle Sunday. Sunday. It was Sunday. Yes. Sunil and Sana wanted to go to the library park, library circle. Sana participated in the storytelling or quiz competition. Sana, storytelling. The children returned the books within 8 days. 8 days. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Yes. Why did Sana and Sunil go to the library? Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Yes. Sana and Sunil went to the library to borrow books for the competition. Sana and Sunil went to the library to borrow books for the competitions. What books did Sana like to read? Sana liked to read stories and books on general knowledge. Sana liked to read stories and books on general knowledge. What books did Sunil enjoy reading? Sunil enjoyed reading comics and adventure stories. Sunil enjoyed reading comics and adventure stories. Who went with the children? Who went with the children? Mother went with the children. Mother went with the children. Which books did Sana select? Sana selected story books, Aesop's Fables and Cinderella. Sana selected storybooks, Aesop's Fables and Cinderella. Which books did Sana select? Which books did Sunil select? Sunil selected here now. Sunil selected books on history, geography and science. History, geography and science. Yes. Now, make 5 smaller words using letters in the word given below. Make sentences using the new word. See here, borrowed, row, bow, board, dew and wood. Dew and wood. Replace F in the word fight by other letter or letters. Make at least 7 new words. Now make your own sentences using any 5 new words. Write them in your notebook. Write them in your notebook. First what we will do? First we will borrowed row sentences we will write first. Borrowed. See here. Borrowed row. Borrowed row. Bow. Board. Dew. Wood. Trees are planted in row. Trees are planted in row. I felt bored as I was alone at home. A dew is formed on a winter morning on the grass. We use wood to make furniture. Okay? Shanu plays with a bow and a arrow. Shanu plays with a bow and a arrow. Now replace F in the word fight by other letter or letters. Make at least 7 new words. Now make your own sentences using any 5 new words. Write them in your notebook. Okay. Now see here. Fight, F-I-G-H-T, fight, M-I-G-H-T, might, L-I-G-H-T, light, N-I-G-H-T, night, T-I-G-H-T, tight, S-I-G-H-T, sight, B-R-I-G-H-T, bright, R-I-G-H-T, right. A1. Arjun fought with all his might, M-I-G-H-T, might, to win the race. Arjun fought with all his might to win the race. We must carry a torch at night. I got all answers right. This dress is very tight for me. It is a bright day. Okay. Now write 5 sentences on a visit to a garden in your notebook. Okay. See here. A visit to a garden. It was Sunday. I went to a garden with my parents. I met my school friends in the garden. We played on seesaw, slides and swings. My parents gave us sandwiches, vapors and an ice cream. Okay. Speaking skill. Visit your school library. Discuss with your friend about the books you like the most. Now page number 19. Activity grammar, comma in sentences. Read and remember. Rule 1. Use the comma to separate 3 or more names in a sentence. Aman, Minal, Jimmy, Rohan and Sania are my friends. Rule 2. Use the comma to separate 3 or more terms in a sentence. Sam liked cricket, his family and his friends. Third. Use the comma between the date and the year. Minal was born on April 15th, 2006. Fourth one. Do not put a comma before and but put a comma before but when joining two complete sentences. My auntie is coming from Bangalore and my cousin is coming from Chennai. Insert commas to separate nouns. I saw giraffe, lion, tiger, rhino, and monkeys in the zoo. Second, B1, jars, cups, saucers, plates, bowls and pots went crushing to the floor. There are yellow, red, blue, black and green crayons in the box. Nita has 2 erasers, 3 pencils and a sharpener in the box. August 15, 1947 is a special day. Gandhiji was born on October 2, 1869. I bought a pink dress, matching shoes and red umbrella. Then second one. Correct the sentences which have the comma in the right place. My mother was born on February 28th, 1980. Correct. 1980. Correct. Okay. Tina, comma, Rita, comma, Manoj and Anu are friends. Correct. Keep the red ball, comma, the brown bat and comma is there, no, the white teddy there. It's nothing dash. It is wrong actually. A, B, C we have completed. Now come to the 20 page number 20. Yes, challenge. Write the date of birth using a comma. I was born on, you write when you are born and comma with. My mother was born on, write with the date of birth using comma. Then my father was born on, you write. Use the comma and write names of at least 5 things. At least 5 things. I have books, comma, pencils, comma, erasers, comma, ruler and a sharpener in my school bag. In my school bag. Observe the pictures, write the names of things you observe, use the comma. See here. I can see, this is their table. Book, comma, a pencil, comma, a pen, comma, a pencil, comma, and a flower vase on the table. Comma, whatever you are seeing, you have to just put a comma and write. Then B1, A1 we have completed, B1. Third one we have come, third one, yes. Now, I can see a bunch of grapes, comma, a pineapple, comma, a pear, comma, a bunch of bananas in the basket, okay, and a papaya, full stop, and a papaya in the basket. Bunch of bananas, after that comma, and a papaya in the basket, full stop, in the basket, full stop. So today we have completed revision number 1 to 3rd. A visit to the library, a visit to the library, that is 3rd revision, part 3rd. From where you have to write means from page number exercise, circle the correct word from there, page number 18 to 20. You have to write for 2 times and learn by heart. This is the homework for you. We will meet in the next video. Thank you, children.